change of plans slightly. So the room that we were told that was close to the pool was not going to be ready
until 4 o'clock.
Until 4 o'clock, as opposed to 2.
But they got a room ready for us now at a different building.
Exactly. So we're not going to be. We're going to be on the other side. Like that way is the pool. That's the check-in area. Our villa is going to be over here.
Building 12.
In building 12. So, so yeah, we're going to go check into this room, and yeah, maybe I'll take a little bit of a tour. But you know, I mean, we're not as close to the pool as we wanted, but you know what? We're still on vacation, and it's really not that far of a walk. It's not like we're talking about miles or anything.
It's miles and miles.
So
it's literally feet.
So we got our room key.
Vacation room 12, guest parking.
Oh, we're literally right there. Okay. And the great thing about
gosh, it's the Mr. Work buggy.
It is.
It just needs the stripes.
Oh my God. So they have an underground parking garage.
That's awesome because the car won't be overheated.
That means the cars will not be overheated. This is awesome. Look at this. All right.
Let's go find some parking.
I think that's a fantastic idea, Daddy. All right, room 1213. This is our home away from home for the next, so when we come out of our door, this is our view. Not bad. All right, everyone, so I'm going to give you a room tour. I am going to say this room is a lot smaller than I thought. This is a studio. So yeah, so I'm going to give you a quick tour. So as you come in the front door here, you're going to see this on your left. It's a window. Nothing to see out here. Yeah, this is the foliage from when we came in before. I think you saw that already. And then you got a reading lamp. And this is a pull-out couch. This is going to be Josie's bed for the evening. We've got some extra blankets and stuff over there. So you can see how it pulls out over there. And then as you come in, you see the big screen TV. And then you also have like they do have some little charging stations. I also have like a little charging block that I can plug up for more USB. You have a DVD player. And the one thing about this is there's not a whole lot of storage space when it comes like for clothing. So my suggestion is to pack light. I was able to, in these drawers, to get Josie's clothes and my clothes in this little drawer here. But if you have a large family, you may want to do like a 2-bedroom villa. I don't know what the 1-bedroom villas look like, but you only have one nightstand over here. Gooch's got some of his stuff over there because he has to use a CPAP. He has to have that area. There is not one on the other side, but there is a plug-in, and you do have some extra storage down there. So it's a 1 queen bed, 1 pull-out couch, studio. So that's what the queen bed looks like. And then you have some signage here. No-see-um is apparently the small invisible biting insects. And you can get, they're most active around sunrise or sunset, and it gives you tips on how to protect yourself here at the resort. They do give you that complimentary insect repellent. And then just say warmest regards from the general manager, and then you get a nice little card. All dreams come true if we have the courage to pursue them. With Dumbo. Dreaming is what we do best. Thank you for sharing in our dream. And I'll take you out on the patio in a moment. But this is like the little nook area. Josie is over here reading her books. I've already put some stuff on the little table. Sorry. I'm just kind of unpacking. But you have this little area over here. And then as you go in here, this is a lock off. So there's someone else on that other side. Howdy, neighbor. So since this is a studio, you only have a little kitchenette, so you don't have a full cook, but you do have a microwave, and then you have all of this stuff. You have a toaster, you have bowls, you have little plates and coffee mugs. Sorry, we got some of my stuff up here. I've got my Arbonne stuff I haven't put away yet. I'm sorry. I don't know what that was. You have a coffee maker. You have an ice machine over here. And then they have little coffees and teas and can opener. And you have your sink. And you do have a mini fridge. It does not come with a freezer, unfortunately. Like, you know, you have, that's what the fridge looks like. And let me see what this is. Wastebasket area. Okay. A direct link across from that, you have pretty good sized closet. Gucci's going to keep his stuff in there for the night to save room. I hung up my makeup there. We put our bags up there. I put other makeup stuff. The extra pillow and blanket is probably going to be for Josie. They have a pack and go, like a pack and play, or a crib for your kids. They have a safe. And then if you have any hanging items, which we do not. And then you have the little bathroom. So you do have a, like, it's a double-sided vanity. So what can use the one side, and that's Josie's toiletries. So sorry, but they do provide these beach towels for visiting the pool. And then if you need a clean towel, you can exchange it at the pool or have housekeeping bring it. So you do have like little storage drawers in here. They provide you with one body lotion and one of these, you know, that's coming home with me. Pretty nice sink and mirror. Hi. And then, let's see what's in here. There's the hairdryer, some storage in there, more storage in here. There's the wastebasket. They do have a makeup mirror that lights up. Awesome. And they have that little cute thing here. Hidden Mickey. Then the toilet, obviously. And they have a place to hang a towel and stuff here. I've got my toiletries right there. And then they have the shower. And look at this. This is the first place that we've stayed at that has the pump stuff. Oh, they have body wash, sea salt body wash. I might have to try that. But, you know, if you really want it bad enough, you can get those 99-cent reusable things. You know, those little bottles. And alright, we're going to go out here to our little deck area. It's not patio? Okay.
I want to come with you.
Alright, so as you can see, we don't have a pool view, unfortunately, now. Let me see.
Wow.
Making sure the door is unlocked. So as you can see, we just have like window units. Unfortunately, we're on the first floor. I'd requested a higher floor, but that room wasn't going to be ready until much later. And we just kind of wanted to get in the room and chill, and Gooch wanted to go to the grocery store and get a few things. So yeah.
It won't be long.
Yeah, he won't be long.
No.
No, he won't.
So we can play.
But looky there. How cool is that? Alright.
I know.
So, I mean, it's not, I mean, we got air returns, but you know what? We're on vacation. We're going to be at the beach and the pool a lot, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, so we have made an executive decision.
Big one.
Pretty big one. So, the Thursday that we had planned to go into Orlando to do Disney Spring Chef Art Smith's Homecoming and Artist Point has been, we had decided we're going to enjoy our vacation. We're going to stay here so we have more pool and beach time, and then we got another reservation at the Wind and Wave.
By the way, if you have the points for a cottage, that's what it looks like.
Oh,
Yeah.
so it's, what is it, sleep like 8 or something?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, well, I like that. So we'll show you how to walk to the whole back lobby area. Oh, there's another hammock.
Daddy, you said that. Mommy, I'm good.
So they were telling me earlier the reason why they have this little protective barrier of hedgerows here is because of sea turtles.
Yeah.
That way they don't, like the lights from the windows doesn't distract them from getting to their, oh, let me get this. Oh, that's cool. Beach 30 yards, Disney's Old Key West, villas at Disney. Oh, that's really cool. So this is that is a spa right there. So this is to protect the sea turtles from the lights reflecting off of the windows. That's cool. Yeah, Magic Kingdom. You're getting rid of your little cobblestones. They're not. Ha ha ha. Oh my God, that might have to happen. But I can't. And they got sangria. So they have a little activity here to make paper airplanes.
I'll help her with her.
Well, then this could be the doorway to your bedroom. It's just gonna.
I don't want to go to my.
It's okay. You're allowed to go. So don't worry. What's about to look like more of a rocket ship in a second. Like that. Yep, then you gotta flip it over and do the same thing to the other side.
Flip it over.
So that way you can match it up.
Good crease on both ones.
Of course, you always need a good crease when you fold a circus hat. And then you can do the same thing to the other side. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, just like that.
As far up as you can bring it up with his hands. Yeah, just like
Oh, I can see. Are we almost done?
almost.
Yeah. It kind of looks. Oh, so it's.
Whoa, it looks like a Meg.
Yeah.
Looks like a Meg.
I made the airplane.
Top gun.
Flip it over to the other
Hey
side.
Josie, let's see it.
And then you can open it up and it's going to look like this. I like it. Alright, so we're going to take this side of the paper. The side.
Okay.
We're going to take it and we're going to fold it along the crease line. So watch carefully. So I'm going to take it. This side is going to match up to there.
Alright, here they go upstairs to fly the airplanes that they made. Josie got 2, one purple, one pink, because of course she did. And she's running up the stairs. Josie, let's see your airplanes. No, don't. Really?
This one wasn't hurt.
Fly
It's
them
okay.
again.
Well, I think we're.
You're done with the flying, baby.
I
Are
want
we
to.
gonna make another one?